Hey, welcome back to the channel. Let's roll the intro, please.
Hi all, this is Ashwant. Hope you're all staying safe. So welcome to the new video on neural style transfer. It is a deep learning model which transfers the style from one image to another. So let us see what actually neural style transfer is with the code. So neural style transfer is an optimization technique used to take two images, a content image and the style reference image, then blend them together so the output image looks like the content image but painted in the style of the style reference image. It uses deep neural networks to perform the image transformation. So it was a simple concept. So you take an image, if so consider that is your image, so that will be called as a content image, and there is an image which has some style, so consider it as a graphic image. So if you blend them together, then the output image will be your image with the style of that image taken as a reference. So let us see this example. So the first image is a content image and the second image is a style image. So if you blend them together, the final image is the output of the image, which is the content image but with the style of a reference image. So it is how neural style transfer works. It takes the style of the second image, which is the image of a Batman, and it transfers that style to the content image. So it was originally taken from a research paper called A Neural Algorithm of Artistic Style. So it was published in 2015. So it is the original paper that neural style transfer was proposed. So let us see this paper. Let's have a look at it. See, there are various images in which the examples were clearly figured out. So the first image is converted into this image with the help of the style. Similarly, the other two images were. It was neatly explained. So I will add this paper link in the description. You can check that. So let us see the coding section of this implementation. So we need two libraries to implement this. So as this is a deep learning project, we use neural networks mainly. So to implement that, we need Pillow and Tensor and Torch libraries. So Torch is an alternative to TensorFlow. And here we have taken convolutioners. So if you look into that get futures method, so we have given the layer of convolution. Also we have calculated the gram matrix method. So gram matrix method is mainly used in linear algebra to matrix the given parameters. And here we are using VGG pre-trained model. So as we need huge amount of image data, so instead of training it on our own, we are using a transfer learning based pre-trained model, and which is a popular one called VGG. So here we are giving the content and style image locations. So I'm giving content as my image and style as an image which I have shown previously. And we are using Adam Optimizer. It is a very famous one. And here we are giving epoch size as 5000. So epochs in the sense how many times a neural network will take iterations to update your image. So I'm giving 5000. So 5000 is giving the best output. So you can also test with different epochs. So even we can give 1000, 2000, but 5000 works the best. But the size of the epochs, if the size of the epochs are more, then it takes more time to execute. So let us execute that. So this is an implementation. The execution start taking place. So here we are looking at different layers of a convolution neural network. As VGG is built on top of convolution neural network, so we are allowed to see the different layers and like what happens in each and every layer. ReLU is an activation function, and as we have mentioned, the different convolution layers on 0, 5, 10, 19, 21, 28, we can check into this. As this output takes long time, so we can fast forward this video and we can directly jump into the output section. Yeah, so this is the output we get when we train with 1000 epochs. The content style and the output of the image looks like this. And this is another output which we will get when we train with 5000 epochs. So this is somewhat more darker and deeper. So it absorbs the style completely, and this is one such example of a Mona Lisa picture where we are transforming that. Yeah, thank you for watching. You will get the code link in the description. Hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe this video. Thank you.